Hey guys, Dr. Alex Tatem here, and I'm a urologist with Urology of Indiana. Today, we're going to talk about how to check into your new patient appointment using My Medical Locker. Now, if you're new to our practice and you haven't created your patient portal account yet, be sure to check out the video in the top right-hand corner of your screen. It'll be listed in the description down below as well. This will walk you through how to create your account. Then you can come back to this video to learn how to check in. Alright, now that we've set up our account, let's check in for our upcoming appointment. This is a required process that you'll complete before each of your appointments with our office. If you've ever been to the doctor's office before, I'm sure you're familiar with the many forms you have to fill out in the waiting room before you even get to see your doctor. The My Medical Locker electronic check-in process lets us keep that to an absolute minimum, ensuring you spend less time waiting around the doctor's office and more time doing what it is that you want to do. Let's talk about what the check-in process looks like for a new patient appointment. This can be completed in 5 easy steps. Step 1. Log into My Medical Locker. Using the browser on your smartphone, visit mymedicallocker.com and log into your account using your phone number and the password that you created earlier. Once you've logged in, you should see a screen that looks like this. Step 2. Tap View Forms. If you look in the upper right-hand corner of your screen, you should see a section that says View Forms. Tap this button and it'll bring you to the next page. Step 3. Tap the button for the new patient form. On this page, you should see a red icon with the word New. Tap on this and it'll allow us to complete the new patient registration form. Step 4. Completing the new patient registration form. Make sure that you complete each section of the new patient registration form in order. Scroll to the bottom of each page and fill it out to the best of your knowledge before tapping the Confirm Section button at the bottom right-hand corner. Let's talk about each section and what they entail. Demographics. This should include your name and other personal information. If you go by something other than your full legal first name, be sure to put that in the nickname box. For example, my full name is Alexander, but I go by Alex, so I would put Alex in that box. This is also a chance for you to provide other important contact information, such as your mailing address or your email address. Be sure to provide these. The next section is called Responsible Party. This is for whoever is going to be financially responsible for your medical care. For the vast majority of patients, this will just be yourself. But for patients under the age of 18, patients with disabilities, or older patients who need help coordinating their medical care, this may be a parent or other responsible caregiver. Emergency contact. This is the person we should call in case there's an emergency. The next section is called Appointment Reminders. We strongly recommend that you list your telephone number, a number where you can receive text messages, and your email address here. This ensures that you'll be able to receive important appointment and check-in reminders in addition to other important communications from our office. Allergies. Please make sure to list any medication allergies here. Medications. Please list any and all medications here. Sometimes it can be helpful to look at your medication bottles themselves if you can't remember their exact names. Not all medicines mix well together, and this helps keep you safe. Past medical history. This is a chance for you to provide more information about your medical history so far. You should list any medical issues that you have currently or have had in the past. Some examples may include a diagnosis of high blood pressure, diabetes, a history of heart disease, or any condition that's required surgery. Try to be as thorough as possible. More information is better. The next section is called Review of Systems. This is a series of questions that ask about everything from your breathing to your abdomen. This helps your provider pick up on any other symptoms that you may be having in addition to the main issue that you're seeing us for. Release of information. This is where you're able to tell us who we're allowed to share your protected health information with and how. The next section is called Financial Policy. This explains Urology of Indiana's financial policy as it relates to your medical care. The last section is called Patient Privacy. This explains your right to privacy as a patient and explains how Urology of Indiana is committed to honoring that. After this last section, you'll be able to see any recent payments that you've made and view any outstanding balances as they relate to your medical care. This brings us to our final step. Click Submit. After you've completed each of these sections, you'll see this page. Tap the Submit Form button. You should see the following confirmation screen telling you that your form has been successfully submitted. And congratulations, your check-in forms are now complete for your upcoming new patient appointment. If you've already had your new patient appointment and are checking in for a subsequent visit, all of this information will be saved, so all you have to do is review it to make sure nothing has changed in the meantime. Now, if you haven't completed your intake forms and your appointment is within 7 days, you'll receive a daily text reminder that looks like this. This contains a link to the My Medical Locker login page so you can complete the electronic login process. So that's it. That's how you can easily check in prior to your new patient appointment at Urology of Indiana using your patient portal account with My Medical Locker. Now this only scratches the surface of what you'll be able to do using My Medical Locker. With the app, you'll be able to request appointments, request refills of any medications, and communicate directly with your care team. At Urology of Indiana, we strive to make the highest level of care both easy and convenient for our patients. If you ever have any questions regarding the registration process, please call our office at the number in the description below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you want to learn more about Urology of Indiana or about our Men's Health Center, be sure to visit the websites at the links down below. Until next time, this is Dr. Alex Tatem, signing off.